That's it. We finally snapped.
Gamora, wait for us! Show him some what the fuck, Gamora!
It is acceptable to ask for help, Peter Quill.
Yeah, big problems call for the big solutions. Thanks, Drax.
Anybody feel bad killing these stones? Because I don't!
At least we stopped whatever that priest was doing here.
No, we didn't!
Send it their way, Drax.
You won't ruin her this time!
Well, we might have a problem.
Throw that, Drax!
What is that, Peter Quill?
Not fair! He's boosting everyone but us!
Hey, Quill! Wanna see some
Guys,
fire?
huddle up!
I know! It's like they want me to keep blowing them up. And I gotta admit, every time they go splat, it paints an awfully nice picture. There's no way we lose today, Quill.
We are painting the battlefield right now, Rocket, in so many shades. But if we're too excited, this love fest, this dazzling euphoria, it'll all disappear. Who's with me?
Feel my wrath!
Let's...
You won't ruin her this time!
I will ruin them all! There are more arriving!
Punch their lights out!
Must be a doll thing, I don't know.
We're not the only one fighting this battle, Gamora!
Cowards! Face us!
Not again!
I have slain the believer!
You good?
Never better.
Yep, definitely not good. Gamora, wait, hold on a sec.
Why? So more children can be sacrificed in the name of Raker's flagged-up church?
Of course not,
Just what, Peter?
I don't know. Breathe.
Every minute we waste. We don't have time to breathe.
I know Raker brings back bad memories.
This isn't about Thanos. It's about Nikki and what men like Raker and Thanos do to girls like her. Like me. My sister. If I had just been better at protecting Nebula, maybe she wouldn't be dead.
Whoa. What? Nebula's dead? How? By who? Tell me, so I can find him and shake his Kratak in hand.
By me.
You killed your sister?
She is the one you saw in the Matriarch's promise.
That's how I knew it was a lie. The Nebula I knew had been twisted into a hateful, vengeful monster thing. One who would never stop unless I stopped her. So I did. I just never expected to survive.
Why didn't you say something?
It's not exactly a conversation starter. Hi, I'm Gamora. I murdered my sister. Can we be friends? Of course we can't. How can you be friends with a monster? Why would you want that on your team? A team I actually kind of enjoyed being on, all things considered.
Well, I hate Nebula, so I actually would have... What? I'm just saying it don't change nothing.
Actually, it changes everything. The most deadly woman in the galaxy just admitted she loves us.
I did not.
You did. You said you were in love with us right after the part about killing your sister.
I said I enjoyed your company.
That is the Catathian definition of love.
Like. I'll give you like. Can we just move on?
Agreed. That's about all the love fest I can take.
We accept you, Gamora Zenwuburi.
Pretty sure we're married now.
This is excruciating.
All right, I'm pretty sure we've all caught our breath. Let's say we go stop a nutjob cult leader.
Yes.
Yeah, we're all a bunch of misfits. I get it.
Rex, toss it!
Hey, Stuntnut! Yeah, you! Put down my friend, or else! Save your nice words for later, Quill.
What would I do without you, Rocket? Why are there so many of them?
Goes to show how many unhappy people there are.
Rocket! Blast them! Man, that giant robot can take a lot of pain!
Hang in there, bud. Quill, do something!
They are coming at us from everywhere!
Won't stop us from stopping them. There has to be a way to really hurt this guy.
Yeah, we're all a bunch of misfits. I get it.
Maybe he's already saved Nikki? Keep kicking and flailing, Drax!
up!
I'm coming! Let's see that sword!
This bullet sponge needs to be seeing stars! Still can't believe you killed Nebula.
I can't believe it either.
No, I wasn't being insensitive.
Feels like I've been shooting that big bot for hours!
We need to focus on taking it down.
Danger close, Rocket!
Who else did you kill? Anyone I know?
So many. Not that it mattered.
Rush him, Drax!
This one just eats ammo!
I said, drop her!
What's next, Peter?
Hit him! Wreck him, Drax! Gamora!
Ah, ha, ha! There goes the arm!
Can't even stretch that thing.
Only have this many moves.
how many reserve forces they can bring in here. We've got to shut it down!
Let's get to the bridge. Cosmos Tower is the quickest way.
So, Gamora,
Too wide to cross.
Maybe we can bridge the gap.
we keep saying bridge, and it's starting to sound like a made-up word.
All words are made up.
Why do they keep blocking everything off?
Because now they expect us.
We need to find another way to the bridge.
We should be prepared in case the Grand Unifier arrives.
Gap's too big to jump. You know, I usually hated when that Cosmos spotlight would shine down on me, but now I kinda miss it.
That seems long enough for a bridge.
Unless it crumbles when it falls.
Drax?
I have been eager to topple something over.
Really? A fate force field?
If we can find the power source, we should be able to turn it off.
Let's get looking then.
That's it, Peter! Let's go! We need to get out of here before Raker shows up.
All right, dead ahead!
Guardians of the Galaxy. The Matriarch has chosen to enact the fulfillment from this station. And you shall not stop her.
She hasn't chosen anything. You've been manipulating her from the start.
She is the light. And I am merely her servant.
Kinda hard to be the light with that dark monster thingy inside of her.
Blasphemy! You may have rejected her promise, but you will believe when it returns you from death's cold clutches.
Your pain has pushed you to a perilous precipice, old friend.
How? It can't be. I saw you die.
The form is fleeting, but the foundation remains forever. Now cease this stubborn senselessness, before it reaps a ruinous reward.
Ruinous.
Oops.
Stay away from the edges!
I'll lay down some cover fire to get you across!
The trick is to defeat them before they defeat you!
Appreciate the help, big guy!
Their healer is tottering! End his life!
Chop him, Gamora!
Fucking snipers! Fast cowards!
We need to close this distance!
Running and
Breathing room, Groot!
This is kind of fun!
So now you're finally happy?
This'll work! We can leapfrog our way back onto the bridge!
Leapfrog?
Just follow my lead!
Quill's killing loopy cops now. Music to my ears. Of course it was easier to get to before! Look! Golden Boy and Unisparker are still at it!
Hold off the God Stepper! Top!
Tamura! The billboard!
Good call!
You find more snipers over there, you save me one!
No promises!
Peter Quill, unleash me onto these
Watch
fools!
it, Drax!
Hold power!
Past time someone got stabbed!
Slice and dice!
Ain't gonna snap out of that one!
We approach the dog's tower!
Hold on, Nikki! We're coming!
Running and gunning on rooftops! This is kind of fun!
So now you're finally happy? Way to knock some sense into him!
Okay! We gotta get to that elevator!
Too bad they busted
Just
up
once
the bridge!
I'd like to cross this bridge without incident!
You can thank Goldie for that!
Warlock saved us from certain death!
I ain't scared of Raker and his little light show!
I'm ready! Find me an opening!
These renegades are relentless!
Stay away from the edges!
I gotta get close to get over!
We approach the dog's tower!
Then we're almost halfway there!
It's like a fruit fly, I can't swat him! Sick of Drax! You're on ice! Do your thing,
Prepare yourself,
Gamora!
thief!
Cut to the chat! Make sure you don't fall off!
Make sure those snipers don't hit you either! Ready!
Okay! We gotta get to that elevator!
At least the rooftops will provide some cover!
Of course it was easier to get to before!
Crap! Now it's Nova!
These soldiers are deadlier than the local security!
See? We don't need Golden Boy's help.
Is that why you shot him?
Oh yeah, that was great. Right in the butt. Did you see the look on his face? It was all like,
Look out!
Let's do you first, faithless!
Let's not add to our problems!
so many lousy angles to cover!
Too close!
We approach the dog's tower!
Then we're almost halfway there! Stand down!
Well, I guess Goldie survived that jump!
Did you see Raker's face when he showed up? Well, you're a big target, that's why!
These deluded souls do not know when to quit!
How many are there? It's like all of nowhere showed up!
As long as they're here, they can't go through with the... whatever they called it!
Full Flarkman!
That was not the name!
I like it better!
Blow them away, Rocker!
My fists have quelled the believer!
Good! Because there's a lot more where he came from.
Not going into the light this time, little buddy! Chop chop, Gamora!
Get the point?
Hey, Quill! Want to see some fireworks?
Wrap him up, bud!
I am trying to destroy!
How many times have I saved your butt now?
I thought I was a goner, man! Rocket! Fireworks!
Breaker's congregation just lost a member.
Is that what they call a
Finally!
spiritual
I think
experience?
they're giving up.
Just in time, because we're not getting back on that bridge.
I know where we are. There's a road nearby that intersects the main bridge to Cosmos.
Where?
It should be, right below us.
I am Groot.
Groot thinks we'll be nowhere royalty once we save it. We need to be on the other side of this thing.
We're not getting over.
Would under suffice?
Drax, buddy, let's make a hole.
That's one way down.
The best way. Look, they're still at it.
At least our guy seems to be winning.
What's so special about Goldie anyway? Yeah, he's strong, but what good is strong against ridiculous, unrelenting firepower?
Anyone see a way across?
I am Groot.
Yeah, we can't do nothing with that sign in the way, Quill.